Hey, what's up, guys? Question: what's better, ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing? Guys, listen, if you're on YouTube to make money, you've probably asked yourself this question: what's the best way to earn, ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing? Well, here's the truth. One of these can earn you passive income on autopilot. One can bring in big one-time paychecks, and one depends entirely on your audience loyalty. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is best for you and how to maximize your earnings starting today. Hey creators, welcome back to Tutorial Masterclass, your go-to channel for YouTube monetization, growth hacks, and success strategies. If you're serious about making money on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, like this video, and drop a comment below telling me which method you've tried or which one you're most excited to start with. Now, let's dive in. Part 1, the basics of each monetization method. Let's break it down simply. Ads, AdSense. This is money from YouTube placing ads on your videos. The more views, the more you earn. Sponsorships. A brand pays you directly to promote their product or service. Affiliate marketing. You promote a product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. On the surface, they all sound good, but the real question is, which one fits your channel best? Part 2, YouTube ads pros and cons. Pros, passive income. Once a video is up and monetized, ads keep running forever. Simple setup. YouTube handles everything. Cons, low earnings for small channels. You often need tens of thousands of views to see decent money. CPM earnings per 1,000 views varies by niche. Finance might earn $20 per 1,000 views, while comedy might earn $2. Verdict, great for long-term scaling, but not a fast cash strategy. Part 3, sponsorships, pros and cons. High payouts. Even small creators can land deals from $50 to thousands of dollars depending on audience size and niche. Brands love loyal audiences, not just big ones. Cons, not consistent. Deals depend on your outreach, or being noticed can hurt credibility if you promote the wrong brand. Verdict, best for creators with strong engagement, even if your subscriber count is small. Part 4, affiliate marketing, pros and cons. Pros, unlimited earning potential, no cap on commissions, doesn't require huge views, just the right audience who trusts your recommendations. Works across niches like tech, beauty, fitness, and education. Cons, requires trust and transparency. If you seem salesy, people won't click. Earnings depend on traffic quality, not just numbers. Verdict, perfect for creators who educate, review, or recommend products. Part 5, which is better? My honest answer? Here's the truth. There's no single best. If you want scalable passive income, go with ads. If you want big paychecks now, go with sponsorships. If you want flexible income that grows with your audience, go with affiliate marketing. But the real winning strategy? Combine all three. The most successful YouTubers use ads for baseline income, sponsorships for cash boosts, and affiliate links for ongoing commissions. That's how you turn YouTube into a full-time business. And part 6, action steps for beginners. 1, enable monetization ASAP to start with ads. 2, join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Impact, or niche-specific programs. 3, create a sponsorship media kit, even if you're small. Show your engagement stats and pitch to brands. 4, test, track, and scale. See which stream makes you the most money and double down. So, what's better, ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing? The answer is all three when used together. If you want to turn YouTube into a serious income stream, diversify your monetization strategy. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, and drop a comment below telling me which monetization method you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, everybody.
I'm full-time YouTuber, living my dream, can't lose. 500 million songs just like Mr. Beast. I'm full-time YouTuber, yeah.